Okay, so hello people, so today we'll be solving daily question 58, that is length of the last word, and in this we'll be going to string is consisting of words and spaces, and we have to return the length of the last word in the string. Okay, and a word is the maximum substring consisting of everyone knows what a word is. For example, in this case we are having hello and world, so the length of the last word is 5, so we have to return 5. In the next case we are having a number of spaces. We need to handle all these spaces, like we are having extra spaces also here, but we have to return the length of the last word without the spaces, so that's moon, and the output is 4. Okay, so for this we'll be using a two-pointer approach. So let's have the two pointers, that left is equal to 0 and my right will be at the end of the word, that is string, sorry, s dot length minus 1. And now while my right pointer is greater than or equal to 0, and I am having a space, let's say s dot caret right is equal to a space. So in this case what I'll have to do is I have to move my right pointer to the previous ones, and now what I'll be doing, I'll be setting my left pointer equal to the right pointer. Okay, so now we are having the first character of the last word. Okay, after this while loop, now what I'll be doing is I'm taking a while loop again, that while left is greater than or equal to 0, and my s dot char at left is not equal to a space. Okay, s dot is not equal to a space. So in this case I'll be doing left minus minus, and at the end what I have to do, I have to just simply return the length of the word, which will be present right minus left. Okay, now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.